So what it has, so it has a price information, it has a total product information, and what type of product it is, who is a make for this product. If you see here, this is a product model name, this is a brand. Make is nothing but the brand.
Right.
Okay. Memory storage it has, operating system, whether it is whether it is a Android or some other operating system, so that also either Windows or Android, so that information also provided, and color it has provided, and cellular also been provided. And this PDP itself, you have one option is add to cart. When you click on add to cart, product will be added to the cart. Okay, that is step one. If you feel that so you don't want to add your product to the cart, you wanted to purchase the product directly, then you can click on buy now. So buy now will what happens, so this product will not be available in the cart, and it will be directly go for the billing, like you can buy your product by yourself.
Right.
Whereas add to cart, if you add your product to the cart, and you can close your session, and then you can come back after one day, your product will be available in your cart, unless and until if stock is available. Then whenever you feel okay, that time you can go and purchase your product.
Correct.
Okay, so this is nothing but the product details page. Now I'll talk about add to cart. Now I have added a product to the cart, right? Now I'll open this add to cart. So here, whatever you see, one product cart, right? So this we called it as a mini cart.
Okay.
Mini cart. When you click on this mini cart, you will be redirected to the cart page.
Right.
Okay, in the cart page, or in technically we call it as a shopping cart.
Okay.
So in the cart page, you will see what all are the products being added in your cart. As of now, I have added only one product, and that is the reason this particular product has been given over here.
Right.
And when I click on this proceed to checkout, okay, so it will ask you to create an account, or else I can create a new account and then I can go.
Right.
Okay, so then the things will be like checkout, and then it will ask you to provide your type of transaction, whether it is a free delivery, whether it is a cash on delivery, or else whether it is a credit card payment or EMI option. So what modes of payment. Okay, right. So you can choose your mode of payment, and then you can select your delivery address. I mean, you have to provide your delivery address, and if you do submit, automatically order will be created. If a transaction is smooth, then order will be created. So they will give some ETA. Within the ETA, your product will be delivered to your address.
Right.
So these, whatever I have talked about, from end to end, so from logging to logout and placing an order from home page to checkout, everything will be handled by Hybris system. So this all configuration has already been given by Hybris in the latest version. Whereas in the 5.4, everything, home page creation, PLP creation, PDP creation, and checkout creation, order submission creation, and order successful login, successful page creation, guest login creation, and user login creation, forgot password update, and updating the customer details. These all we have to create by ourselves.
Okay.
How much improved the Hybris system?
Right.
That is the power of SAP. So before SAP, everything handled by Hybris system, and they give a basic suite, everything, checkout page, home page, login page, so PLP page, everything have to be created by Hybris developers. Now they made everything as a plug and play. Okay. So you just configure your e-commerce application, and you can use the same existing PLP page and PDP page in order to get your stuff ready and use it. That's
okay. Okay.
That is the advantage. On top of it, if you have any customization, so that customization needs to be done by our Hybris team.
Okay. Yes.
So that is that about end-to-end e-commerce application. Yeah, go ahead.
One question on that one: do we in Hybris do they do the ATP check?
ATP acceptance. Yes. Available to promise. It has.
So it will be connected to integrated with backend ECC to do that?
Yes.
Okay. So depending on that, the delivery date and all will be calculated, right?
Correct.
Okay.
So we have different modes as a pre-order. One more also the ATP you have mentioned, and one more is called. There is one thing called pre-order. So pre-order is nothing but if a product is not available, so what you can do, you can click for a pre-order. So it will take the respective your details. When your product is available, then automatically payment will be done. So this is nothing but the pre-order. And second one is get the product at your store. So what you can do, you can place one order, and you can directly go to the store and you can collect your product. So this is the one. And another option is, so get the product to be delivered, get your product to be delivered near your address. let's say
Okay.
they have some pickup points. If I say I recently I worked for a UK project, so in the UK project, so what happens? So they will not take the product to be delivered at their doorstep. So what they will do, there will be some delivery points near their area. So some bars or some restaurants. So their product will be delivered to the particular area, and customers will go there and then pick up product from there.
Okay.
Okay, this kind of mode is also available, and as you know, directly delivering the product to your address is there. Store, directly you can go to the store and you can pick the product from there, and then we have some delivery points, so there we can go there and we can get it done. And in the store also we have two options. One is we have to park your vehicle and then you have to go inside the store and then you have to get your product. Okay, this is option one. And option two is you can go to the store. Instead of going inside the store, you can wait outside and then you can give a notification stating that you are reached. Automatically one particular person will come down and they will give you a product to your at your parking lot itself.
Right, curbside pickup, right?
Yes, correct. You know these options. Yeah, so I don't need to explain again and again.
Yeah. That's a normal e-commerce. Yeah, all the
Yes.
options, the delivery options. Yeah.
Okay. So this is different modes. Any other questions? If not, we can close this session. And so tomorrow, what I'll do, I took your email address, right? So I'll try to send the some set of steps which you have to do by your. The first thing is you might have heard of 7-zip. In order to zip any file or unzip any file, we will use a 7-zip tool. Any
Okay.
idea? What I'll do, I'll share one YouTube link how you can install the 7-zip and how you can use the 7-zip. So just install the 7-zip in your machine. I will provide the steps how to install the 7-zip, and I will
Sure.
send you my Hybris suite. 2011 only I'll send. I'll not share the 2015 because it is not a stable version. So I'll share the 2011, and you can install your download it and keep it ready in your system. And in tomorrow's session, so we'll do a setup in your machine so that directly there are in Hybris by default it will give you three sites. One is apparel site. It has a multi language, that is for UK. It will support for UK, and it will support for Germany. And one more site is called Power Tool.
Sorry. What is that? What did you say? Sorry, that I was not able to hear.
So Hybris by default, in order to enhance your skills, in order to understand the Hybris behavior, so Hybris by default give you 3 example sites.
Okay.
So those are nothing but the accelerators. So in any application, if you go anywhere, so we have a B2C application, right? So for the B2C application, they have given 2 sites. One is a apparel site. Apparel site is nothing but the electronics. It has all the our clothes, men clothes, women clothes, kids clothes. So this kind of apparel site they have provided. So this is a multinational, like it will support for UK and it will support for Germany. Okay. And one more site is there, that is called electronic site. Okay. So this is purely about the electronics. Next thing is they have one more option called Power Tools. So this Power Tools is a B2B site. So these 3 sites we will install, and we will try to use these sites, and we will try to make you aware of things going forward by using these sites. Sure. So that you will get some clear picture. See, if I share my screen and then if I show the steps, then it will not give you. You have to make your hands dirty. That is my point. So you make your hands dirty, then you will understand what is a Hybris and how we can do this.
Right. Otherwise, I won't get exposure just by watching. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes. Yeah. That's fine.
Cool. And I think we are good for today.